starting with 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and then heat this up in the microwave in 30-second intervals at 50% power until you get about this consistency. And then add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix that all up. Until you've got it looking like this. And then grab a tray or container about 8 by 8 and line it with parchment paper, and then add your fudge mixture to it. And kind of quickly, you're going to want to spread out your fudge. And then stick it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours before cutting into it. That smells good. Now for a taste test.